Welcome to Channel 7. We will be covering the coronavirus. This is what we do every day, all day, 24/7, keeping you updated with what's going on with this virus currently. Scratch that! This is no news channel, and I'm not someone who's an expert in the coronavirus. Hoping to at least cover some entertaining news about sneakers, though. So hopefully, while you're bored at home, going stir crazy like we all are, I can give you a little sense of some entertainment here with a lovely unboxing. Dun dun dun! And today we have the Sheila Rashid Air Jordan 1s. As you can see, this is an insane box. I kind of actually just want to make wallpaper in my room with this exact design. I think people might think I'm a fanatic of Jordan, but I don't know. I think it might look pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see this here. We got the double box game going on today, but these are dope images of Jordan throughout his career. It's pretty crazy. They managed to do it in this awesome collage all over the box. Oh, and as if I thought this wasn't creative enough, look at this tissue paper. Wow. That is some dope tissue paper. I'm actually kind of afraid to touch it and mess it up, but ooh, look at that. Sheila Rashid's signature right there. All right. And it looks like there's a scribble on this as well. Not only is this truck a symbol of all of our youth, it represents the very reason we got up every day. A reminder why small business is just as important as big corporations. Shop local isn't just a hashtag. It keeps dreams alive. Wow, that kind of hits deep. I mean, with everything that's going on right now, I think small businesses are in definite need of support, but it's pretty crazy because this shoe was launched before all this traumatic stuff was going on where small businesses were coming to us in need of our support, but she kind of like jumped the ball on that and wrote down on this tissue paper right here. So let's get to it. Don't want to mess it up. Ooh, another signature in there. She's got it all written up in here. All right, look at this. Okay, we got some tissue paper that doesn't matter in here. It's not as pretty as the outer part. So I don't know if any of you are Sheila Rashid fans, but this is actually a local designer based in Chicago. She is known as being androgynous, so she basically tailors to both sides of all types of genders, and this shoe is pretty cool. I mean, it's dramatic in its color blocking, which Sheila Rashid is actually known for this. She's also known for workwear. But this is a very popping purple here. It's a very subdued gray in the back. It's got nice suede, and then it's got like this richer leather in the front toe part here. Oh wow, look at that. Look at those laces. It's literally gray, and then she starts at the top of the shoe in the same purple, but it literally hits right as it gets to the gray. That's pretty dope. I love that. Oh, and let's look at the toe here. It has this nice little leather patchwork with the Air Jordan right there. I love that. And of course, if you're unhappy with just having the double shoelace color game, we have an extra color here, purple. Sniff. Nice chemical scent there as always. Oh, what is that on the inside there? Okay. We've got Sheila Rashid logo inside there, if you can see that. Very, very intricate detailing. I like that. Like looking at the suede, and I didn't know if it's just this shoe. Maybe more this shoe, but the suede almost looks like it's coming apart on here. I don't know if you want to come in and check out this detailing, but I don't know if they just didn't trim it or if it's overly long right here, but it's looking kind of like a shaggy dog. Oh, even on this, like shaggy carpet from the 60s. Definitely does not look like that though on this side of the shoe, which is strange. The suede is completely different. I think that may have been a mess up. But the suede definitely does not look the same on both shoes, so I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if they got lazy making this shoe right here on my right hand side or what, but this is definitely a better quality shoe than this side is. With this collab that Sheila Rashid did with Nike, it is also part of the Unite program.
Scared? Why not? No message from the set. We accept your challenge.
And inside the shoe actually is a U and an N. And a T and I just can't see the I very well. Oh, hey, the Jordan is the I for Unite. Let's take out the other one, take a look. Beautiful. I actually don't own a pair of shoes that have this exact kind of color blocking, but I think it's pretty genius. It looks really cool. Maybe a little hard to match with things, but that's all right. I mean, if you want to kind of show off a pop of color, these are the shoes I feel like to do it with. Let's just talk a little history, shall we? I don't know if you know about the different silhouettes of the Air Jordan 1. Most of my viewers, I've realized, or not most of them, but most of my friends have no clue about shoes. So I thought in this episode we might go back and give a little history on the Air Jordan 1s. So in 1985, there was this guy, I don't know, his name was Michael Jordan.
Chewing on that gum anxiously, controlling, calling out the defensive and offensive plays. Michael Jordan makes it an 8-point Philadelphia lead. Jordan with 26.
Pretty big deal at the time. Decided to, hey, say no to Adidas, say no to Converse, and hop on board with Phil Knight and his team over at Nike.
Fortunately, the NBA can't stop you from wearing them. Air Jordans from Nike.
And they created a silhouette that has become timeless, and it's the Air Jordan 1 silhouette, which is what Sheila Rashid designed right here. This is actually a midi, so you have your low top and your high tops. This looks like it's ranging in the middle. It just takes some time, little girl. Which is interesting because I've never had actually a midi Air Jordan 1 silhouette before. But this is the Air Jordan 1 classic shoe. It's one of a kind, and it was Jordan's first silhouette that he created with Nike. And overall, I think this is a pretty cool collab that was done by Sheila. So kudos to you. Yay, Chicago. Representing over there. Hopefully this entertained you guys for at least 5 minutes of your day. And hopefully we'll get up some more content to keep you entertained. Stay tuned to the next time.